Alright, 8th graders, this is another quick video on how to create a scoring system. And so what I want to do is have my little bug move around the screen, and as he touches these green dots, I want him to get some points. So what I'm going to do to program him to do that is I am going to go to, this is one thing I haven't showed you. So in one of my other programs I have it already working, and what I did is down here there's this little space called the backpack, and what the backpack does is it allows you to take code from one program that you've created and move it into another one. And so I'm just going to click down here and move it up here. So this is the code for my scoring. Now, a couple things are wrong with this code. I just have it up here as a reminder for myself and then also as an example. And so what I want to do is I want to recreate some code that looks like this one right here. I'll tell you a little bit more about this one in class in a little bit. And we'll probably use this in maybe level 3, I would guess. But anyway, first things first, with this ball, I already have it showing up, and so I can take that off of there. So get rid of that show. When the flag is clicked, forever, if this ball touches the beetle, I want to change my score. The problem is I don't have a score yet. So to add a score onto my program, I'm going to click on data, because notice this block is orange, this block is orange. Now I'm going to click on make a variable, and for my variable name I'm just going to type in score. All sprites. Okay. Now here's my score little tab right there. For this says apples, I'm going to click on that drop down arrow and change it to score. So now let's see, I have this programmed onto this sprite, which is button 1. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it, just like everything else, and I'm going to drag it onto each of these other buttons. So that way my code is on all of them. So when I finish, I should have my code set up so when my bug crawls around, now it's not working, and that is because I never clicked the flag. So flag is clicked, should take me to level 1. Now, go down here and finish level 2. Everything shows up. So now, when I move my bug, again, I could use the key. Notice the score is working, everything's good there. This is this last one. Doot, 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 gone. Scores work, score right there, 6. So that's a scoring system. This is the code that we have it set up with under button 1. I just simply have, so when it switches to level 1, so when I click the flag, it hides. When I go to level 2, the button shows up. Then, when the flag is clicked, forever, if this button touches the beetle, change score by 1. So that's my change score. So 6, and then it hides. So the next thing I'm going to do in the next video is going to be, so when I click on, when it equals 6, it opens this up so I can go to the next level. So anyway, that's a scoring code to have my score increase. One thing I will just show, so real quick I'll just reset this. I want to have, in one of these I need to go when flag is clicked, data, set score to 0, and that just will reset my score for me. So now, just move my bug, there it goes, finish. Now, one of the things I want to highlight, let's see, button 1, move them right there. If button 1, right here where it says hide, if I take that hide out and it just has this, watch what happens to my score when he moves over it. It just goes up crazy fast, and so to keep it from doing that, that's why you have to have it set up so as soon as it changes to 1, it hides, and as it's hidden, it no longer will count. Gone up to 2753. Click my flag and everything should start back over, back to 0. That's gone. Move to here, everything's back to normal. So that's that code. Next one, level 3.